So next, tokenization. What is tokenization? I mean, process of converting tangible and intangible asset into blockchain token. It is usually Bitcoin. So we have this asset. This asset is being converted into token. That token is sold in the blockchain. So as a consider of currency, a blockchain currency, or as a cryptocurrency, usually say. The similarities between tokenization and securitization. Both are same but differently in it. Tokenization is illiquid assets attempt to convert liquid asset into liquid product. Hence, it is resembles process of securitization. What I was saying, usually in the shares which been used in the IPO or the which is being used in IPO, which is backed by a block of asset that include non-current asset, current asset, non-current liability, current liability. Everything is come put out and then it come to a net worth. And based upon the net worth, this IPO is issued. In the case of intangible, means like tokenization, it's not based on the kind of block asset. It is linked to each single asset A1, asset A2, asset A3, asset A4. Each single asset is been identified for this block and that can be achieved very fastly. So, following a similar between tokenization and securitization, liquidity is similar, diversification is there, trading is there, and new opportunities can be arised through this idea of tokenization. This is all there in blockchain.